In today's video, I am going to teach you how to go incognito on Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully launched and that you can see the main Chrome window on your screen. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, dock, or applications folder depending on the device you are using. Once Chrome is open, move your attention to the upper right corner of the browser window. There you will see the menu icon with 3 dots. This menu gives you access to several browser options and settings. Click on those 3 dots to open the Chrome menu. After the menu appears, look through the list of options until you see New Incognito window. Click that option to open it. As soon as you do, Chrome will launch a separate window in Incognito mode. You will know you are in the right place because the new window looks different from a regular Chrome window. It usually has a darker appearance, and you will also see an incognito icon near the top of the page. This helps confirm that you are browsing in a private session. If you want to end the private browsing session, simply close the incognito window. Once it is closed, the session ends. That covers everything you need to know.